All right, Pitch Black, we're back again hunting an SIR. We still haven't gotten one. I think we've gotten a few IRs, not too many, but a reasonable count. I know I'm being greedy here, hoping for an SIR, but I need one. Come on, there are such good SIRs in this set. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever it is, depending on the platform, and let's get something, maybe the Morpeko. We have Fomantis into a Sinistra, followed by a Rust Syndicate Grunt. Then we have a Relicanth. Relicanth was running amok in the pre-release. Charcadet, and we have a Baynet reverse. Nothing there. And we end with, oh, Mega Delphox EX. All right.